How to use Printful for beginners. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a detailed look at Printful and how you can use it to actually create designs and dropship and make yourself a lot of income all through online without actually having any product in stock in real time. Guys, Printful has recently gained a lot of traffic because of the amazing business model that they present. You absolutely need to have no factories involved, no nothing. All you have to do is simply give them a design. They will deal with all the logistics and your customer is going to receive the product. Now they basically create and sell custom products online, and over here are the type of products that you can actually sell. So what happens is that they simply give you templates of shirts, of drinkware, of swimwear, of hats, and then you simply put your custom designs on top of those products, and then those products can be shipped straight to your customers once they make an order. It is that easy. So for now, let's click on show more so we have an idea as to how many products we can actually use. So they have flip-flops, they have bags, they have phone cases, they have leggings, beach towels, embroidered shirts, keychains, hoodies and sweatshirts, and so much more. Now all these things can be sold for quite a premium through this website because of the custom design factor. Now scrolling up, if you want to actually start selling on this particular platform, simply click on start selling. If you want to order, click on order. Firstly, I'm going to show you how you can start selling, and then I will show you how you can order for yourself. So let's click on start selling. I'm going to open this up as well. For now, click on start selling and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can simply sign up either with Facebook, with Google, or with Apple. Now once you sign up, I will catch you guys in just a second. So once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here in this dashboard, you can see all the steps that you are required first to actually start making your order samples. Now firstly, you have to confirm your email address and then do all these things. Now these things are very easy and they're not gonna take a lot of time, and I will show you most of them in this video as well. Now from the right side, you have some shortcuts. So firstly, you have your build your brand strategy. So you can simply check out trends and you can simply see what people are buying, what is selling right now. Once you know what is selling, you can actually make that product and get sales because it is really easy. You know that your products are gonna sell because everybody is buying them, but that is not a long-term strategy. So I want you to basically focus on a long-term strategy. Make a brand that you can essentially expand on, add multiple products in, and that is really gonna keep you going for the long run. So then we have some product templates as well. We have a Printful blog too. Now from the left side, we have an order section. If I were to click over there, I can see all my orders that are gonna be over here. Then we have product templates. Now guys, product templates is a great tool if you have never designed any product before. Scroll down, click on create your first product template. Now once you click on over here, now you have all the good stuff. Now you can essentially choose from all of these different categories whatever you want to sell. So you will have templates of hats, of accessories, of home and living, of kids and youth, women's clothing, men's clothing, whatever you can think of. I'm gonna choose accessories for this video, and then once I choose accessories, I have duffel bags, jewelry, laptop cases, face masks, iPhone cases, Samsung cases, keychains. There's so many more things, and now I can essentially pick from these as well. I'm gonna pick iPhone cases, and then once I pick iPhone cases, now I can even choose which type of case I want to sell. I can sell a biodegradable iPhone case, or I can sell a translucent iPhone case. I'm gonna choose this case, and then after that I can simply start uploading anything on this particular case and start making it my own. Now from the left side, you have an option to choose a file to upload. You have an option to add text, add clip art, add quick design, or premium images. I'm gonna click on choose file, and then after that I am going to click on choose file to upload, and then simply upload a file from my computer. So once I've chosen the file, that file is gonna be uploaded over here on this particular website. This might take a couple of seconds, but once this is done, you guys will be able to see a very nice picture over here. So now the file has been uploaded. I'm gonna just simply click on this picture. I'm gonna choose this file. Now once I do that, I can simply cross this out, and over here I will have my design available. So from over here, I'm gonna choose this, and then it is gonna take a couple of seconds, and now I have my design over here. I can decrease the scale, I can also increase the scale, I can do whatever I want with the design. Now from the left side I can even add text, so like I can type in over here Spain 009. So like once I type in this over here, I can simply go back and do this. The key is to just make them as beautiful as possible. So I'm gonna like do this, change the fonts up a bit. And once I do that, now we have a different font. And also I'm gonna change the colors of this particular text as well. I'm gonna make it white, and then I'm gonna give it an outline of a green or yellow or something that just, you know, that pops up a bit. So I've done this. And then after that I can even add a drop shadow as well. So like once I've done that, I have more options as well to like essentially increase the text size as well. And then I have more options to increase the letter spacing. Now you can create some pretty cool designs if you were to like, you know, increase the size and then have multiple text layers over here. Like honestly, the potential is literally endless. So I'm gonna just simply do that, and I am going to leave it like this, but I'm gonna essentially decrease the scale so that it looks much better. So I'm gonna do this. Yeah, so now I have that over here. So now you can essentially choose from the bottom for which phone you want to sell this for. So like you can choose any phone. I'm gonna choose the 11 Pro Max. Click on continue from the bottom left, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and now you have your product template. Click on save product template, and then this product template has been created, and this is over here. Now once you have a product template, you can simply click on add to store, click on connect store. Now you can essentially connect your store if you have a Shopify store or any other store, or you can simply create your very own store from over here using their API. You can simply create a store name, click on create, and then that is gonna prepare the store for you. Click on view store, and then after that you have your store over here. Click on add product, and then simply pick the product from your product templates. So from over here, click on my product templates from the left side, and then pick that particular iPhone case. Click on proceed to mockups, and then you will see all the product mockup of your particular design. I'm gonna choose lifestyle mockups, and then after that I will essentially choose the 11 Pro Max. Click on proceed to details, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then you will have your mockup case. Click on proceed to pricing, and now you can essentially price it however you want to. The retail price is going to be $22. You can essentially add your profit. You can put in $5. You can do whatever you want. Click on save product, and then after that your product is going to be added over here in your store, and people will be able to order your product from you, and you will be able to essentially have your $5 of product, and then simply repeat the process for as many clients as you have to make as much money as you want to. So from the left side, now you understand essentially how all of this store designing and product markups work. Now you can essentially move on to the partner program as well. From the left side, click on partner program, and then from over here you can see that they have 3 programs. They have a referral program, they have an affiliate program, they have a brand ambassador program. So for the referral program, what you can do is that you can get a $5 discount for your friends on their first order, a $5 discount in Printful points, and then similarly in affiliate program, 10% off every order of whatever your customer, of whatever your referral makes till lifetime. So guys, that is also a very good way to actually earn some commission and actually earn some passive income. Now from the left side you can even see some warehouse details as well. So like once you have a lot of products, you can actually hire a virtual assistant that is gonna keep track of all of these things. So guys, that is how all of this works, and that is how you can essentially start using Printful for your own services, for your own crazy designs, for your own crazy ideas. So guys, this was Printful, and now I'm gonna show you how you can order from Printful as well. So come back to the home page, click on order for yourself. Now once you click on order for yourself, now you have a list of products. From the left side you can even choose what type of products you want in particular, like kids clothing, women's clothing, hats, accessories, home and living, or whatever you want. They even have some brands as well. So like if you're a brand geek, you can definitely go for brands. So now from over here, let's say you want to order men's clothing. Click on men's clothing. From over here, choose the shirts that you want to, and then you will see the shirts and their pricing. I'm gonna pick this shirt, and then from over here you can essentially like just order, and then after that these are gonna be delivered straight to your address. But if you want something that is more custom, you can essentially go back, and then pick some brands. Now once you pick some brands, after that you can simply get custom products like these hats over here. So that is how this works, and that is how you can use Printful even if you're a complete beginner. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, until next time, goodbye.